Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Again, my name is Jacob with Gpex. So as part of the requirements to run TikTok sponsored ads, we will need a TikTok account. Since we've already established the fact that you have a smart device, as you see in this video right now, it means you have a smart device and you have an internet. So the next requirement would be having a TikTok account. So in this video, we're going to learn how to set up your TikTok account and the various types of TikTok accounts there is. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into it. So there are two major types of TikTok accounts. It's based on the features it has. So the first one is the normal TikTok account, which I would often term the local TikTok account or the Nigerian TikTok account, because I'm a Nigerian and I'm living in Nigeria. Okay, that one has the normal features. It doesn't have some features. Then we have another type of TikTok account that has extra features, which I would often term the international TikTok account. Now, this type of TikTok account has a particular feature that every other TikTok account does not have, and that feature is the monetization features. And TikTok will term this the creator rewards program. Now, it's simple. It simply means that from the likes, from the followers, from the engagement, TikTok is going to pay you, just as YouTube has the monetization features as well. So if you have a certain amount of followers on TikTok, you have some certain number of views, you have some certain number of engagement, likes, comments, shares, TikTok is going to reward you, is going to pay you for that. Okay, so we are going to learn how to create a TikTok account that has that features, no matter where you are. Even if you're in Nigeria, you are in Cameroon, you're in Ghana, I'll teach you how to create that as well. Okay, so first, how to create the Nigerian or the local TikTok account. If you have your device, you're using a smartphone, all you have to do is to go to the Play Store. If you're using an Android device, go to Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you have to go to the Apple Store. So let's go straight to the Play Store. Let's go down to Play Store because we're using an Android device. So when you get to your Play Store, you click on search and you search for TikTok. You write TikTok, then you search. So here you'd find two types of TikTok. You see the normal TikTok account here, which is this. You see TikTok. Then there is another type you'll find as well, which is the TikTok Lite. This is it. You see TikTok Lite, save data. Now, this TikTok Lite is for those that have limited data storage. It's for those that has slow internet connection. If your internet is not so good, you need to install this TikTok Lite. And if you have if you're using an older device, not recent devices, either old version of Android or old iOS, you might need to install this TikTok Lite, because if you install the normal TikTok on your device, on your older device, it will be lagging, it will be slow. It will not be smooth. You won't have a smooth experience. So TikTok Lite would be for you. Although this TikTok Lite has a streamlined experience with reduced features, it doesn't have all the features present in the normal TikTok because of the low data consumption, of course, and the faster performance. Okay, so we are going to install the normal TikTok, not this TikTok Lite. So let's go back here. Then you click on install. So we're going to wait for it to install. When it's done, we'll proceed. So now that TikTok has been installed, what we need to do next is to click on open to open the TikTok application. Then you click on agree and continue, because we need to agree to their terms of service. Agree and continue. You see, it's trying to show you how to navigate TikTok. You see the demonstration that you should slide up to see more videos. Okay, so you're going to see more videos like this. As you scroll, you see more and more videos. And as you engage in videos that interest you, TikTok algorithm is going to show you more related videos that you like. So that is how it simply works. Now we are going to set up our TikTok account. Remember, we are setting up a Nigerian TikTok account first. What you need to do, you click on this profile icon here. You click on profile icon. Then this is going to show. If you have a TikTok already, you can click on any of these options to log in. But it is assumed that we don't have a TikTok account yet. So what we need to do is to click on sign up because we do not have a TikTok account for now. So let's click on sign up. Now here they will request us to enter our phone number. So let's enter our phone number to continue. Then when you're done, you enter continue. Remember, you can also sign up with email, Facebook, or Google. Any option you like, you can use. But I just prefer to use my phone number and continue with it. So it's requesting for a one-time password and OTP sent to our phone number. So let's verify that we are not a robot. You click the image that looks like the emoji. So we're going to wait for the one-time password 145102. So now that we've entered our password, we've set up our account. Our account is now ready to go. So you'll be seeing different videos of different creators. So what you need to do, you click on profile to view your own profile. What you need to do after this is to quickly set up your account. You upload your profile picture. You click on this profile picture, you upload your profile picture. Then you need to change your name. You change your name to something unique to yourself. So you see the name, you click on it to edit. You can change it. If you change the name right now, you will not be able to change it again for the next 7 days. You can only edit your name again after 7 days once you've changed your name right now. So you can use a very interesting username that is unique to you. So now you have the bio. You can input the bio about yourself. Just write something little about yourself so that people can know what your page is all about, what your account is all about. If you're a comedian, you're a skit maker, you can just write what you do. The content would be anticipating for, you can just write it there. So we know what you're doing on your account. Okay, so just set up your profile. When you're done, you fill in these details, you've uploaded your pictures, you're done with your account. It's very simple, it's easy. Now once you're done with your account, you can go ahead to start uploading your content. Start creating content, you upload, you get followers, you get engagement, you start using TikTok, and that is how simple it is. And in case you're not using a smartphone, but you have like a tab or a laptop, you want to use a web, you have a computer that you want to use to open TikTok, it's also very simple. So in that case, you will not have to install TikTok Android app or iOS app on the web. So all you need to do is to open your browser like you have on the screen. This is my laptop. You could have a tab, you could have a desktop, it could be a laptop. So just open your browser, then on the browser you type tiktok.com. So after typing that, you press enter, you search. Then the web is going to open. So you see, this is your TikTok. So all you need to do is to click on the login right here. You can see login, or you can see login right here. So just click on login. Now, once you click on login, you see different options here to log in. Remember, it is assumed that you don't have an account yet. So if you're registering, you're signing up for the first time, you don't need to click any of this. What you need to do is to click on sign up. So you click on sign up, you enter. If you're using a phone number, you can use your phone number or email. If you're using Facebook, you click on this. If you're using Google, it means you've already logged in your Gmail here on the browser. You click on Google and follow the prompt. Okay, so that is how you sign up. You've already learned how to sign up on your mobile. It's the same thing here. Okay, so the only difference is you are not installing the app. All you need to do is to open your browser, use search for tiktok.com, and once it's opened, then you can continue from there. Okay, so let's try to log in the account which we just created on our phone. So here we are going to input the phone number which we use to create the TikTok on our device. So we don't need to sign up again the second time. Let's just log in. Then let's click on send code. An OTP will be sent to the phone number. So let's confirm that we're not a robot. Okay, now we've entered the OTP which we received on our phone, on our device. You click on login. Now you see our account has been logged in successfully. So you can use your device, you can use your browser if you are not using a phone, either Android or iOS. So you can check your profile by clicking on profile. You see it's still fresh. We've not updated our profile yet. If you want to update your profile, remember you click on edit profile. Here you click on this, your profile picture, to upload a profile picture. You click on it, then you can use any profile picture of your choice. So let me quickly look for a picture to use. So I'll use this. You can change the username. So let me use this. Here with Gpex, my name is Jacobson. Let's just update this quickly. Bio, let's just leave that for now. So we have updated our profile. You see our profile picture will display, the name will reflect right there, and our username will reflect as well. Okay, so this is how you see our profile picture there. You see our name and you see our username. So this is how you update. The next thing is to update your bio. You write a little short note about yourself, and that is all. So again, you can create an account on web. You can create it using your tab, your desktop, your laptop. Also, you can create on your smart devices. You can use your Android phone, you can use your iPhone, like we've illustrated. So in our next class, we're going to learn how to create the international account. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit this subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell so you'd be the first to be notified when we drop any of our latest videos. Okay, again, my name is Jacob with Gpex. Thank you very much for this class. Bless.